Hey there, ready to learn how to update your email for Warzone? Let's dive in. First things first, open up your favorite web browser and head to account.battle.net. After that, type in your email and password to log into your account if you haven't already done so. Once you're logged in, you'll land on this page. From here, click on Account Details from the left-hand menu. Next up, simply hit Update next to Email option. Now, it's time to bid farewell to the old email and enter the new one you want to use for your Warzone account. After that, hit Save. Soon after, a verification email will zoom its way to your new email address. Open it up and give that Verify Now button a click. With that done, your new email is now verified and good to go. You can now log into Warzone using this updated email. And that's a wrap. You've successfully changed your email in Warzone. If you found this video helpful, then drop a like and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And if you have any kind of questions, then please ask them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.